find x so that x plus 2, x plus 6 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. Solution. Given x plus 2, x plus 6 are 3 consecutive terms, then r is equal to a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2, which implies x plus 2 by x is equal to x plus 6 by x plus 2. Solving this, we get x plus 2 whole square is equal to x into x plus 6. Simplifying this, we get x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to x square plus 6x. By rearranging the terms, we get x square plus 4 plus 4x minus x square minus 6x is equal to 0. Further simplifying this, we get minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Transposing plus 4 to the other side, we get minus 2x is equal to minus 4. Further simplification of this will be x is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, which is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2.